Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Web3 Auth for passwordless login on Ethereum, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Web3 Auth website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Project button. Fill in the project name and description. Select Ethereum as your blockchain option. Click on Create Project to initiate your project setup. Now, take note of your project ID and secret key. Open your development environment where you will implement Web3 Auth. Install the Web3 Auth SDK by running the appropriate command in your terminal. For JavaScript, use npm install at web3auth/web3auth. Import the necessary modules at the top of your JavaScript file. Initialize Web3 Auth with your project ID and preferred configuration. Add a button in your HTML file to trigger the login process. In your JavaScript file, create a function to handle user login. Within this function, call the Web3 Auth login method. Handle the authentication response to verify the user. Store the user's session or token as needed. Implement a function to log out users when necessary. Test your application to ensure the passwordless login works. Make any adjustments based on your testing. Deploy your application to make it live for users. Monitor user feedback to optimize the login experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.